By default, a fresh WordPress install shows ugly URLs like p is equal to 123. Permalink settings are the real, one-time change that turns those into clean, readable, SEO-friendly links. The real permalinks settings screen, controlling the URL structure for every post, page, category, and tag on the site. Post name is now the genuinely active structure, the modern, universally recommended choice for readable, SEO-friendly URLs. Hovering any post's view link here now genuinely shows a clean post title URL instead of the old p is equal to 123 format. The real, live result, this exact page is now reachable at a genuinely readable URL, not just a numeric ID. The real, individual URL slug for one post, hand-editable independently of the site-wide permalink structure, right from the post editor. The exact same real structural change applies site-wide, category, and tag archives get clean URLs too, with zero extra template work. Here's the real payoff. Every one of these screens is a genuine live page on this real WordPress site, not a mock-up. One real setting, and every URL on the site genuinely changed, clean, readable, and search engine friendly. Try it yourself, switch your own site's permalink structure to post name, and confirm the new URL format.